First reason that the QCY T6 are my favorite workout headphones is that they stay in place. The design of them means that I can put them in my ear once and I don't have to be constantly changing the position or reorienting them in my ear after I start my workout. It's Mitchell, and today I want to talk about 3 reasons that I absolutely love the QCY T6 and why you should buy them for your next pair of workout headphones. I'll have the best deals that I've found in the description down below, and it goes a long way to supporting my channel. I've recently found these for well under $30, and honestly, at this price point, these are such good headphones, I wanted to make a second video about them. If you guys want to see my first video about these headphones, I have my complete in-depth review with headphone samples, and I'll have that link for you guys right up here. Best way to get a hold of me is on Twitter. And if you have questions about this video, go ahead and leave them in the comment section. Now, back to reason number 1 is just the fit and overall design of these headphones means that they stay in my ears. They have the stabilizing ear hook, which goes a long way to keeping them in place. And on top of that, with the design of these headphones comes the design of the case. And this case is really, really big. Focus. But on the positive side, it allows me to use foam ear tips, which do a much better job of blocking out outside noise, and I talk about that more in my full-length video. Another added benefit to the overall size of these headphones is the size of the control area and the fact that it makes the controls really, really easy to manipulate without the controls being fiddly. And that's something that in a workout pair of headphones, having to take time to adjust headphones or adjust the track can totally take you out of your flow when working out, and these headphones are great for that. The second reason that I love these headphones for working out is the application and the ability to custom tailor the sound to suit my workout needs. Now, this is something that might shock you guys, but I don't wear the same clothes to the gym that I do when I go out and drink with friends or meet friends. I don't wear the same shoes that I would when I ride my motorcycle as I would when taking a walk in the park. And just like all that, I don't wear the same kinds of headphones, or I don't like to wear the same kinds of headphones when I go to the gym as when I do in just regular listening use. And that means that I also might not like the same way that all headphones sound. And the fact that I can bump up the bass and give these headphones a really thumpy sound through the app is awesome. The fact that I don't have to leave the app installed on my phone and those tweaks stay with these headphones is even better. What that means is that I can have a pair of headphones that gives me a ton of bass, a ton of thump, has a great fit for the gym. And if I really need to use these headphones for another circumstance, I can totally change that EQ later through the app. It makes that added little bit of customizability something that really makes these headphones stand out from most, if not all, other gym headphones. And having such a good app at this price point is ultimately something that's unique. Now, the third and final reason that I love these headphones, and I think that you should buy them, especially if you want a pair of workout headphones, it's the price. At under $30, it's really easy for me to recommend that everyone go out and buy these if they're looking for a specific pair of gym headphones. Like I talked about before, we have special equipment, special clothing, special shoes made for working out. And it makes perfect sense that if you're an audiophile or if you're someone that likes to listen to music while working out, that you would have a specific pair of headphones for the gym. At under $30, I feel no remorse about getting these sweaty, about getting these totally disgusting after a workout. They're IPX4 water and dust resistant, which means that they're gonna be okay to do that with. And if they break, at $30, these are ultimately replaceable, as they're not something like my $100 pair of active noise canceling Pamu Quiets, and they certainly do a better job of blocking out outside noise and staying in my ear than these SoundPeats True Air 2 headphones. Review on these coming really, really soon. So ultimately, these headphones make an excellent gym pair of headphones. They make an excellent workout running specific pair of headphones because they offer all of the things necessary for a good workout companion pair of headphones, And after testing 40 different pairs of headphones throughout the 3 years that I've been doing this on YouTube, these are the best headphones for a specific purpose. What I mean by that, specific purpose, working out. These designed just for that, and these fulfill their job better than anything else. That's it. Buy them. Link in the description. Peace.